Hello and welcome to the channel Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. Today it's very, very warm, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
What is it, April the 21st?
First, yeah.
And it's just warming up for the old, after Easter, getting towards the summer. Today it's 25 degrees and we're here at Habaneras.
We've cycled up to Habaneras because we've heard there's a new shop opening, and it's opening in the place where Deals was. And this shop is called Pepco, which is a Polish brand.
Is it?
Yeah.
Isn't it the same company that owns Deals anyway?
Yes, it's part of the same chain as Deals. So we thought we'd come and have a look and see what they've got to offer.
Come and have a look. You know how we like a bargain, don't we?
Yeah.
We like a bargain.
They say it's good value stuff.
Do they? They say, what do they say? They say it's good value stuff.
Yeah.
Do they? It's good value stuff.
It's good value stuff. Pepco's got over 2,700 stores around Europe, and it's new to Spain. It first came to Spain, to Alicante, in April 2021.
You can see how busy it is. There's lots of people in there, and we'll give you a rundown of what they've got for sale. But as you can see, it's downstairs in Habaneras, quite near Starbucks, and at the bottom of the escalators, on the same floor as Leroy Merlin. So we're going to go in now and have a look, and we'll tell you what we think.
We'll let you know when we come out. Some ginger nuts.
Go on then.
We thought Pepco was really good. It had a bigger selection than what we thought. It was well laid out, and we bagged a few bargains. What we're doing now?
Go to Chinese.
I think the escalator goes up, not down.
Well, we can get a look at the view. The view of the Ozone Centre, the Ozone Bowling, and well, there we are. Right on the corner of the Habaneras. Mercadona over the road, and then just panning round to the Ozone Centre with the bowling.
Easy.
So yeah, we're on the top story of Habaneras. I've got a stone in my shoe.
Stone in my shoe.
Oh, down these steps.
Yeah.
Down the spiral staircase. Where it goes, nobody knows. you think we'll end up at the bottom of the sea?
I hope not. Oh. Pretty flowers.
Yeah, look nice, don't they? Is there anything else you want to say about... Oh, look at these bikes. A bit like ours, aren't they?
They are ours.
Are they ours? When did we put them here? I can't remember. It's that
When
long
we
ago.
came.
There you go.
Ta-da!
Have you got them?
Yeah, got something else with them as well. Right, we've got 4 locks on these, haven't we? Oh no, 3.
3 locks, triple
That's
locked.
mine.
This is the bar restaurant in Beijing, cafe bar, and they do takeaways as well. And here's Yvonne. Are you here already?
Me. I am hungry.
Wow. So, where are we?
Where
Do a
are you?
little intro.
Beijing.
Are we in Beijing?
Yeah, we've been all the way to China.
Blimey, it's only 3:30.
Yeah, we get well on them bikes, don't we?
Anyway, this is our local Chinese, isn't it?
Bar. Beijing.
And we've been here a couple of times. We've had a takeaway and we've had a meal here, and it was very nice both times. So we thought, we'll come and show all you good people how nice it is. So we just got a little small beer. They do a meal of the day, and the prices are geared to the main course. So the meals start at $10.50 and they go up to $13.50. So whichever main course you decide to choose is the price of the meal of the day. And it includes a small beer or a glass of wine
Or a soft drink.
or a soft drink, a dessert, coffee or tea, ice cream or flan or peach or pineapple. It's really nice. It's a lovely place as well. It used to be McGill's.
McGill's.
It was McGill's, so that's where it is. It's at Altos Liminar.
Just round the corner from us.
Ooh, are we sharing?
Yeah.
Can I have a bit of your salad then? You have a bit of my...
A spring roll. And look, we've got some
some olives. Lovely.
You a couple of them. Right, I think that's it.
This spring roll's lovely.
Yeah.
Got plenty of whatever it is inside.
Cabbage.
It tastes lovely.
I like this pastry. You like your pastry, don't you?
Is it a pie?
It's not a pie. This is phyllo pastry.
Is that what you had last time?
That's what I ordered last time, yeah, although we shared, didn't we?
Beef. That's like one dish, isn't it?
Chicken
Really?
pox.
What do you think? Oh, here it comes, here it comes.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, thank you. What's that?
T-ban, I don't know.
Beef
T-ban.
T-bun.
This on yours. More?
That'll do.
There you go.
Is that mine?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good.
This beef is lovely.
The beef's nice.
It's really tender.
Just have a chip or two. It's a lot. You get a lot, don't you?
Sauce is nice as well.
This place was only just really open, isn't it? In March.
Is it March this year?
I enjoyed that.
Did you enjoy
It
them?
was very nice. It was beautiful.
Very tasty.
Very tasty.
The beef were really nice. Tender.
Yeah, it was lovely. And I haven't got much room for much else now. Have you got is it a flan? You do a flan? I'll have a flan, please.
Ice cream.
Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry.
Chocolate, please.
Okay.
I've got chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate ice
I
cream.
usually get vanilla, but I thought I'll have a change.
Yeah. Any good? Oh, look at it wobbling.
It's wobbling.
Does that remind you
Reminds
of?
me of. No, better.
Let's have a try of this then. Oh, it's wobbly.
Give me a dish.
Why are you going to take some of me?
I just want
Pudding.
to taste that caramel.
So that was very nice, wasn't it?
It was, yes.
Did you enjoy that?
I did enjoy it.
Did you? Well, I think on that note, I think it's time to wrap the video up.
Right, okay, go for it.
So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
Bing!
Adios.